Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add custom CSS to your Wix website. If you're using Wix Studio, you now have the power to go beyond the standard design tools and write your own code to get a truly unique look. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you style your site globally. First, you need to open the CSS Editor. Click the code icon on the left-hand sidebar of the Studio Editor. If you haven't used code on this site before, click Start Coding. Then navigate to Page Code and select the global.css file. This is the single home for all your custom styles, and any code you write here will apply across your entire website. Next, you need to target the right parts of your elements. Wix uses semantic classes so you can be precise. For example, if you click on a button on your canvas, the CSS panel will show you specific classes like .button for the whole thing, .button_label for just a text, or .button_icon. Simply click the class you want from the list and it will be added to your code editor automatically so you can start writing your properties. The next connected step is creating your own custom classes. If you don't want to change every single button on your site, you can create a unique class name in the global.css file, like my special button, then select the element you want to style, go to the inspector panel on the right, and add that custom class name to the element. This gives you total control over specific items without affecting the rest of your design. Finally, keep in mind that your CSS is the ultimate boss. Any code you write in the CSS panel will override the settings you've chosen in the regular inspector or design panels. If you set a button to be blue in the editor, but write code to make it red, it will be red on the live site. Once you're happy with your styles, hit publish to see your custom design in action. That is literally it. If this guide helped you take your design to the next level with code, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see some cool CSS snippets for hover animations next, and I will see you in the next video.